So if you solve this equation, if you multiply, you should get 4. If you add, you should get 3. What is that? Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. What is log m minus log n? Log m minus log n is log m by n. If I want to make it as 13, what I need to do? I have to do it as minus 2mn on both the sides. Only one side I cannot do. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidyashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. See, in the last session we have learned what? 3-marker problems, isn't it? In this session we are going to learn of the topic logarithms, which is a chapter number 4 in your NCERT, and here session number 4 you are going to have the topic is nothing but 5-marker problems. So let us look at the problems, what we are going to have here and how we are going to solve those problems. Before solving this, let me give you the formula. What is that? Log m into n can be written as log m minus log n. Similarly, log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. And then log m power n can be written as n log m. You are going to have it as log 1 to base anything is 0, log e to base e, log a to base a is nothing but 1. You are going to have it as similarly, you are going to have log a to base b can be written as log a divided by log b, correct? So, and then you are going to have it as according to these formulae, you are going to solve the problems. So, let us look into the problem, what they have given. If log a plus b by 4 is equal to half log a plus log b, show that a minus b whole squared is equals to 12ab. Let me take what they have given, then let me prove that one. So what they have given, log a plus b by 4 is equal to half log plus log b. You know dear students, according to log m plus log n, you can write it as log mn. According to that, shall I write this one as log 1 by 2 into log AB. You know already log m power n can be written as n log m. So therefore, you can write this one as which will be is equal to log AB whole to the power of 1 by 2. So here you are going to have it as log a plus b by 4. You can cancel log and remaining with a plus b divided by 4 is equal to ab whole to the power of 1 by 2. ab whole to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as square root of ab, isn't it? So therefore, a plus b divided by 4 is equal to square root of ab. Cross multiply 4 to that side. What it will become? A plus b is equals to 4 root ab. Right? So, squaring on both the side, what you are going to get? Squaring on both the side, you can get it as a plus b whole squared is equal to 4 squared into square root of ab whole squared. Now, square root will get cancelled. A plus b whole squared will be is equal to 16ab. Now, I want what in the right hand side? 12ab. Here I am having 16ab. What I need to do? I have to minus 4ab on both the sides. So, therefore, I am going to get it as what? I am going to get it as in the right hand side 12ab. Are you getting this one? Therefore, subtract 4ab on both the sides. So what you are going to get the answer? A plus b whole squared minus 4ab is equal to 16ab minus 4ab. Isn't it? Let me expand this one. What you are going to get? A squared plus b squared plus 2ab minus minus 4ab is equals to 16ab minus 4ab is 12ab. Now you can subtract this one. 2ab minus 4ab gives you minus 2ab. Therefore, a squared plus b squared minus 2ab is equal to 12ab. Otherwise, this you can write it as a minus b whole squared is equal to 12ab. That's it, dear students. What is a minus b whole squared? Same thing you are going to have it as. So this is what the proof they have asked here. Understood? So this will be asked for 5 marker. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. If log of a minus b is equals to 1 by 2 log of 5ab, show that a squared plus b squared is equals to 7ab. You are going to ask there. So therefore, I can have here as, see, log of, let me take this one, log of a minus b is equals to half log 5ab. Correct? So let me take this one as according to log m power n can be written as n log m, or n log m can be written as log m power n. So therefore, accordingly, you are going to write this one as log 5ab whole to the power of 1 by 2. This is log a minus b. Log will get cancelled. You are going to remain with the answer a minus b is equal to 5ab whole to the power of 1 by 2. What is whole to the power of 1 by 2? Square root. Therefore, you can write it as a minus b is equal to square root of 5ab. Squaring on both the side, you are going to have it as squaring on both the side. So you are going to get that a minus b whole squared is equals to 5ab, that is root 5ab whole squared. Now root will get cancelled. Let me expand this one. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab is equal to, you are going to remain with 5ab. Now let me take minus 2ab to that side. It will become a squared plus b squared is equal to 5ab plus 2ab. What is 5ab plus 2ab? Which is nothing but 7ab. So therefore, a squared plus b squared is equal to 7ab. That is your answer. Right? So therefore, this is what the proof. You got this one? How to solve? Yes. We'll move on to next question. If m squared plus n squared is equal to 15mn, show that 2 log m minus n is equal to log 13 plus log m plus log n. So let me see here, you are going to have it as log 13. So here you are going to have 15. If I want to make it as 13, what I need to do? I have to do it as minus 2mn on both the side. Only one side I cannot do, because the procedure of the mathematics is both the side you have to do, then only cancelling you are going to get the back step, right? So therefore, let me take this one, m squared plus n squared is equal to 15mn given. So subtract 2mn on both the side. Why? I want 13mn because you are having log 13 in the right hand side for the proof. So therefore, I can have it as n squared plus n squared minus 2mn is equal to 15mn minus 2mn. Now we are going to have it as m squared plus n squared minus 2mn is nothing but m minus n whole squared, correct? So m minus n whole squared will be is equal to 15mn minus 2mn is 13mn. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take it as log on both the side. If I am going to take it as log on both the side, what happens? Take log on both the side. Okay, therefore you can have log m minus n whole squared is equal to log, you are going to have it as 13mn. So therefore, you know, according to the formula of this, log m power n can be written as n log m. So therefore, accordingly, n replaces 2, m replaces m minus n. So by writing that 2 log m minus n is equal to, this I can write it as what? I can write this one as log, see, log mns, log m plus log n plus log s. That's it according to that. Log 13 plus log m plus log n. So this is what the proof. That's what they have asked here. Correct? So this is what the proof. That's it. Proved. Any doubt in this do you have? Yes. Okay. Now let us solve this one. Log x plus log of 2x minus 1 minus log of x plus 1 is equals to, this is not 2, this is log 2. Okay, so here you can have, by having this one, log m plus log n. Therefore, I can have, what is log m plus log n? Log m plus log n is nothing but log mn. Similarly, you can have log x into 2x minus 1 minus log x plus 1, which will be is equal to log 2. Now this is according to log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n? Log m minus log n is log m by n. So therefore you can write it as log x into 2x is 2x squared minus x divided by x plus 1 is equal to log 2. So therefore log will get cancelled. You are going to remain with 2x squared minus x divided by x plus 1 is equal to, correct? So you can cross multiply. What you are going to get? If you cross multiply, you are going to get it as 2x squared minus x is equal to 2 into x plus 1. So what is 2 into x plus 1? You are going to have it as, so 2x squared minus x is equal to 2x plus 2. You can take this side. What it will become? Minus x minus 2x, 2x squared minus x minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x squared minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Therefore, 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So if you solve this equation, if you multiply, you should get 4. If you add, you should get 3. What is that? Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Therefore, let me take that roots. 2x squared minus 4x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you can take 2 common. 2x is common means you are going to remain with x minus 2. Here plus 1 is common means you are going to remain with x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer you are going to get it as 2x plus 1. If you take here the common, you are going to remain with x minus 2 common here, x minus 2, which will be is equal to 0. Correct? So therefore, you are going to have the answer x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or so therefore you can have it as x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equals to 2, or you are going to have 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x is equals to minus 1, or x is equals to minus 1 by 2. That is your answer. That's it, dear students. Are you getting how to solve this problem? Any doubt do you have in this? Yes. We'll move on to the next one. What they've asked, solve 2 log x to the base 2 plus 3 log x to the base 4 plus 5 log x to the base 8 is equals to 62. So let me solve this one by taking accordingly. So what it will become? You can have it as this one will be is equals to, see, you are going to have it as 2 log x to base 2 can be written as log x squared, isn't it? Because if you take this one as log m power n, you are going to have it as, right? Accordingly, if I am going to take it as, the answer will be is equals to, see, this I can write it as log a to base b is nothing but log a divided by log b. Accordingly, let me write this one and let me write this one as well. 2 log x divided by log 2 plus 3 log x divided by log 4 plus 5 log x divided by log 8 is equal to 62. So let me write this one by taking a LCM. You can take this one as 2 log x divided by log 2 plus 3 log x divided by this I can write as log 2 squared plus 5 log x divided by 8 I can write it as what? Log 2. 8 is nothing but cube, 2 cube, which will be is equal to 62. So therefore you are going to have it as log x. Log x. This 12 plus 9 plus 10 is nothing but 31 divided by 6 log 2 is equal to 62. So therefore you are going to have, so 31 ones are, 31 twos are. You can cross multiply this. You are going to have the answer will be is equal to log x will be is equal to 2 into, so this will become 6 into log 2. Right? So therefore 6 twos are is 12 log 2. Correct? That is nothing but log x. Right? The answer will be is equal to log x is equal to 12 log 2. This is according to the formula log m power n can be written as n log m. Therefore according to this I can write this one as, so log x will be is equal to log 2 power 12. You can calculate, x will get cancelled, x will be is equal to 2 power 12. Dear students, 2 power 12 will be is equal to, okay, so x will be is equal to 4096. So 2 power 12 will be is equal to 4096. That's it. How to prove? You know how to solve the problem according to the procedure I have done. Okay. Yes, we'll move on to next is nothing but what? You are going to have these kind of problem for solving for 5 marker. You have to use 2 or more laws of logarithms in between to solve the steps of that problem according to what they have asked. So I think you understood this session, dear students. This finishes your logarithms. We will be moving on to the next session, anti-logarithms. Okay. So anti-logarithms means ulta, you are going to have it as here. So this session finishes your 5 marker problems of the logarithms. So hope you understood this session and enjoyed. Thank you, dear students.